Hey there, future moguls. Are you ready to dive into the world of entrepreneurship without breaking the bank? If you think starting a business costs a fortune, think again. Today, we're going to explore 3 innovative business ideas that you can launch for under 50 grand. Yes, you heard that right, under $50,000. So let's get started. Think starting a business costs a fortune? Think again. The truth is, with the right strategy and a bit of creativity, you can kickstart a successful venture without needing a massive budget. Here are 3 innovative business ideas you can launch for under 50 grand. First up, e-commerce automation. Imagine setting up an online store where you don't have to worry about inventory or customer support. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with e-commerce automation. Set up an online store, leverage drop shipping, and let AI tools handle your inventory and customer support. Easy peasy, right? With drop shipping, you don't need to stock products. They are shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. And with AI chatbots, customer queries are handled efficiently, saving you time and effort. Next, start a digital marketing agency. In today's digital age, businesses are always looking for ways to improve their online presence. This is where you come in. With SEO, social media, and ad services in high demand, all you need is some expertise and a laptop. That's it. You can offer services like search engine optimization, social media management, and digital advertising. The best part? You can start from the comfort of your home. Last but not least, launch a ghost kitchen. The food industry is booming, and you can be a part of it without the overhead costs of a traditional restaurant. Rent a shared kitchen, partner with food delivery apps, and serve up amazing meals without ever needing a dine-in space. Delicious and profitable. Ghost kitchens allow you to focus on cooking and delivery, cutting down on costs and maximizing profits. These low-cost businesses have high profit potential, so why wait? Start smart, grow fast. The opportunities are endless, and with dedication and hard work, you can turn these ideas into thriving businesses. Don't forget to subscribe for more business ideas and visit WORLDBUSINESSFORSALE.com to kickstart your journey today. You got this. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and watch your entrepreneurial dreams come to life.